Most people think aging is something that simply happens over time, like a slow biological countdown that no one can really control. You wake up one day feeling a little more tired, a little less sharp, a little slower to recover, and you assume that this is just what getting older feels like. But what if that assumption is completely wrong? What if the reason you feel older has less to do with your age, and more to do with something happening deep inside your cells right now that most people never think about? Because inside your body, there are tiny structures called mitochondria, and these microscopic systems are quietly controlling how much energy you have every single day, how fast you recover from stress, how clearly you think, and even how your body experiences aging itself. And the most surprising part is that they are not fixed. They are not slowly shutting down in a straight line. They are constantly responding to your lifestyle, your food, your sleep, and your stress in real time, either improving or declining depending on what signals you give them. To understand why this matters, you have to stop thinking about aging as a simple timeline, and start thinking about it as a system of energy efficiency. Your mitochondria are essentially the power plants of your cells. Every piece of food you eat eventually gets broken down, and converted into usable energy inside these structures in the form of ATP, which is the fuel your body runs on. When mitochondria are functioning well, you feel light, focused, stable, and resilient. But when they start to become less efficient, everything feels harder than it should. You wake up tired even after sleeping. You struggle to focus on simple tasks. You recover slowly from workouts or stress. And over time, without noticing it clearly, this becomes your new normal, which is why so many people mistakenly believe they are just aging, when in reality, something more subtle is happening at the cellular level. What makes this even more interesting is that modern science is beginning to show that mitochondrial function is not just about energy production, but also about how your body manages stress and damage over time. When mitochondria are under strain, they don't just produce less energy. They also begin to generate more oxidative stress, which is a type of internal wear and tear caused by unstable molecules damaging cells faster than the body can repair them. This creates a slow imbalance, where energy production decreases while cellular damage increases, and over long periods, this imbalance contributes to the very symptoms people associate with aging, such as fatigue, brain fog, reduced metabolism, and slower physical recovery. But the key insight here is that this process is not purely determined by age. It is heavily influenced by lifestyle patterns that either support or overload your cellular systems. This is where things become even more fascinating, because when researchers began studying extreme environments like space missions, they discovered something important about how sensitive human energy systems really are. In space, astronauts are exposed to conditions like microgravity, radiation, and metabolic stress that significantly strain mitochondrial function. Their bodies experience faster declines in cellular efficiency unless carefully supported through precise nutrition and recovery protocols. Now, this does not mean there is a magical NASA superfood, as the internet sometimes claims, but what it does reveal is something more powerful and realistic. It shows that mitochondrial health is highly responsive to environmental conditions, and that when the body is under stress, it requires more intentional support to maintain energy balance. What space research actually highlights is not a secret ingredient, but a pattern. Certain nutritional principles consistently help protect mitochondrial function under stress. These include nutrient-dense foods that provide antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that support cellular repair, along with healthy fats that maintain cell membrane integrity and improve energy efficiency. Compounds like omega-3 fatty acids, polyphenols found in colorful fruits and vegetables, and essential micronutrients, like magnesium and B vitamins repeatedly appear in research related to energy metabolism and cellular resilience. But what's important to understand is that none of these work like a switch. They don't reverse aging. Instead, they reduce the burden on your cellular systems, allowing them to function closer to their optimal capacity for longer periods of time. And this is where most people misunderstand the entire concept of anti-aging. The idea that there is a single food, supplement, or protocol that can stop or reverse aging is not supported by real biology. Instead, what science consistently shows is that aging is deeply connected to how efficiently your body manages energy and repair over time. When mitochondrial function is supported, your body is better able to handle stress, maintain stable energy levels, and recover efficiently. When it's not supported, small inefficiencies begin to accumulate. At first they are almost invisible. You just feel slightly more tired than usual, slightly less motivated, slightly slower to recover. But over years, these small differences compound into a noticeable shift in how you experience your own body. This helps explain why two people of the same age can feel completely different biologically. One person in their 40s might feel sharp, energetic and physically capable, while another might feel constantly fatigued and mentally drained. The difference is not simply genetics or age, but the long-term pattern of how their cellular energy systems have been supported or stressed. Modern lifestyles often push mitochondria into a cycle of constant demand. Irregular sleep, high stress, processed foods, and constant stimulation keep the body in a state where energy systems rarely get full recovery time. Over time, this creates a background level of fatigue that becomes normalized, which is why many people assume it is just part of aging, rather than a sign of cellular inefficiency. One of the most important insights from metabolic science is that mitochondria are not static structures. They are constantly being created, repaired, and removed inside your cells. There is a process called mitochondrial biogenesis, where new mitochondria are formed to replace or supplement older ones. There is also a process called mitophagy, where damaged mitochondria are broken down and recycled. These processes are happening all the time, which means your body is continuously rebuilding its energy infrastructure based on how you live. When your lifestyle supports recovery, sleep, and nutritional balance, these systems operate efficiently. But when your body is under chronic stress, these processes become less effective, and damaged mitochondria begin to accumulate, reducing overall energy output. This is why aging is increasingly being understood not just as wear and tear, but as a gradual decline in cellular maintenance efficiency. Your body is still repairing itself, but not as effectively as before. It is still producing energy, but not as efficiently as it used to. And this shift is not sudden. It happens slowly over years of repeated small stressors that compound over time. The important realization is that this process is not fixed. It is influenced by daily inputs. Sleep quality, nutrition, stress levels, and physical activity all send signals to your mitochondria about how to function. And depending on those signals, your energy systems either improve or decline. When you begin to understand your body through this lens, even simple daily habits start to look very different. Sleep is no longer just rest, it becomes the recovery window where cellular repair happens. Food is no longer just calories, it becomes information that tells your mitochondria how much energy to produce and how efficiently to operate. Stress is no longer just mental pressure, it becomes a biological signal that directly affects energy regulation. Exercise is no longer just movement, it becomes a controlled stress that can either strengthen or weaken mitochondrial function depending on intensity and recovery. Everything becomes interconnected at the cellular level, even if it feels separate in daily life. What researchers consistently find is that the biggest factor affecting long-term energy and aging is not one dramatic deficiency, but the accumulation of small inefficiencies over time. Slightly poor sleep, slightly unbalanced diet, slightly elevated stress levels, slightly irregular routines. Individually, none of these seem significant, but together, they create a long-term pattern where the body is constantly working harder than it should, just to maintain baseline function. And when energy systems are constantly overworked, recovery becomes incomplete, and fatigue begins to accumulate gradually. The encouraging part is that these systems are still adaptable. Even as you age, your mitochondria continue to respond to lifestyle changes. When stress is reduced, when nutrition improves, when sleep becomes more consistent, and when the body receives the right signals, mitochondrial efficiency can improve. This does not mean reversing time or stopping aging, but it does mean improving how your body experiences aging. Energy becomes more stable, mental clarity improves, physical recovery becomes smoother, and the constant sense of fatigue that many people accept as normal begins to shift. So when people talk about anti-aging nutrition or NASA-inspired diets, the most accurate way to understand them is not as secret formulas, but as attempts to support the natural biological systems that already exist inside you. The goal is not to escape aging, but to reduce unnecessary stress so that your cells can function closer to their optimal design for as long as possible. And when that happens, the experience of aging changes. It becomes less about sudden decline, and more about maintaining stable function over time. Ultimately, what modern science is revealing is not a way to stop aging, but a way to understand it more accurately. Aging is not just the passage of time, it is the result of how efficiently your body produces and manages energy over that time. And that means every day, through small and repeated choices, you are influencing that process far more than most people realize. Your mitochondria are constantly responding, constantly adapting, and constantly shaping how you feel in ways that are invisible in the moment,